Blackrock, the world's largest hedge fund. Over $9 trillion of assets under management. It's impossible to even think how much money that is. If you took $1 bills and laid them end to end, a trillion bills would reach the sun. $9 trillion bills would reach Saturn from Earth. Truly impossible to even consider. Blackrock was founded by Larry Fink in 1986. Larry was a talented bond trader at First Boston Corporation, and he quickly rose up the ranks, gaining valuable experience in the world of finance. When he left to start Blackrock, the company only had 8 employees and $1 million in capital. Blackrock's early years were challenging, but Fink's expertise and vision for risk management and fixed income strategies set the foundation for the company's success. The firm's initial focus was on fixed income asset management, which proved to be a wise decision during the market downturns of the late 1980s and early 1990s. Under Larry Fink's leadership, Blackrock grew steadily and diversified its services. The company expanded into other asset classes, such as equities, and began offering a broader range of investment products. Fink played a key role in steering the company towards embracing technology and data-driven strategies, making Blackrock one of the pioneers in using technology for asset management. In 1995, Blackrock went public and was listed on the New York Stock Exchange. This move not only provided capital for further growth but also established Blackrock as a major player in the financial services industry. The stock at initial public offering, or IPO, was $14 a share. Today they are worth $740. Over the years, Blackrock achieved numerous milestones, solidifying its position as a global investment management powerhouse. The company made several strategic acquisitions, including the purchase of Merrill Lynch Investment Managers in 2006, which significantly expanded Blackrock's scale and influence. During his tenure as CEO, Larry Fink continued to be at the forefront of financial innovation, pioneering the concept of exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Blackrock's iShares ETFs became immensely popular, revolutionizing the way investors access various asset classes and contributing significantly to the company's growth. So what do they own? Apple Inc. Blackrock has been a substantial investor in Apple, the multinational technology giant. Blackrock held a significant stake in Apple, making it one of the company's top institutional shareholders. Microsoft Corporation. Blackrock was also a major investor in Microsoft, one of the world's largest technology companies. The investment firm held a substantial position in Microsoft. Amazon.com, Inc. Amazon, the global e-commerce and technology company, was another significant investment in Blackrock's portfolio. Alphabet Inc. Google. Blackrock was known to be a substantial shareholder in Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Alphabet is a multinational conglomerate focused on technology, including internet-related services and products. Facebook, Inc. Blackrock was an investor in Facebook, the social media giant. As of September 2021, Blackrock held a considerable position in the company. JP Morgan Chase & Co. Blackrock was also a significant shareholder in JP Morgan Chase, one of the largest and most prominent banking institutions in the world. Blackrock own a lot of shares in the biggest companies in the world. Cryptocurrency, yes, crypto. Let's have a look at their stance on cryptocurrency. Blackrock's initial approach. In July 2018, Blackrock's CEO, Larry Fink, stated that the company was not seeing broad-based demand for cryptocurrencies among its clients. However, he also acknowledged that Blackrock was monitoring the crypto market to understand its developments and potential impact on the financial industry. Blackrock's research into Bitcoin. In December 2020, Blackrock's chief investment officer of fixed income, Rick Reeder, mentioned in an interview that the company had begun to dabble in Bitcoin. He emphasized that Bitcoin was becoming more widely accepted as an asset class, and Blackrock was exploring the potential benefits and opportunities it offered. Blackrock's interest in blockchain technology. In February 2021, BlackRock filed documents with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, indicating that it had started adding Bitcoin futures to certain investment funds. The move demonstrated the company's cautious approach to incorporating cryptocurrencies into its investment strategies. Cryptocurrency and Blackrock's future. In April 2021, BlackRock's CEO, Larry Fink, spoke about the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies, stating that Bitcoin could evolve into a global market asset. He also acknowledged the potential for widespread adoption of digital currencies in the future, indicating that BlackRock was keeping a close eye on the developments in the crypto space. Bitcoin ETF. In June 2023, Blackrock announced they have filed for SEC approval for a so-called spot Bitcoin ETF. Will this happen? Maybe, but probably not for a while. BlackRock has had its fair share of controversies. Let's go over a few. BlackRock's influence on climate change policies. In January 2020, BlackRock faced criticism from environmental activists and advocacy groups for its stance on climate change. Despite publicly acknowledging climate change risks, BlackRock was accused of not taking sufficient action to address them. Activists argued that the company's continued investments in fossil fuel-related industries contradicted its commitments to sustainability and climate-related initiatives. BlackRock owns the world. Criticism. As the largest asset management firm in the world, BlackRock has faced criticism for its size and influence in the financial industry. Critics argued that the company's vast holdings in various companies gave it significant control over corporate decision-making, potentially leading to conflicts of interest and limited competition. Financial support to private prisons. In July 2020, BlackRock faced backlash for its investments in companies involved in the operation of private prisons. Critics, including human rights organizations, accused the firm of profiting from a controversial industry known for its questionable treatment of incarcerated individuals. Role in the 2008 financial crisis. BlackRock faced scrutiny for its role during the 2008 financial crisis. The company, like other major financial institutions, was involved in managing and selling mortgage-backed securities that experienced significant losses during the market collapse. Critics argued that BlackRock's actions contributed to the severity of the crisis. What do you think of BlackRock? Something to be admired, going from $1 million to $9 trillion in 37 years. Or do you completely disagree with them totally? Leave your opinion on BlackRock in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit that bell so you never miss our upload again.